Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the battle of the Bissells, the PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop versus the PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum. One promises to mop your floors while the other claims to vacuum and steam at the same time. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop is priced at $164, while the Vac and Steam is a bit fancier at $185. Reviewers have noted that while the Slim is more budget-friendly, the Vac and Steam's dual functionality justifies its higher price, especially for families with kids and pets. It really depends on how much you love multitasking. Moving on to functionality, the PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop is praised for its fast heating time and ease of use, effectively eliminating 99.9% of germs on various surfaces. Meanwhile, the Vac and Steam not only vacuums, but also steams, making it ideal for quick cleanups. Reviewers appreciate how the Vac and Steam cuts cleaning time in half, even if the steam power isn't the strongest. If you're looking for a straightforward mop, go for the Slim. But if you want to feel like a cleaning superhero, the Vac and Steam might be your sidekick of choice. Now let's talk portability. The PowerFresh Slim comes with a 25 feet power cord, making it easy to reach under furniture without unplugging constantly. Reviewers have mentioned it can get heavy over time, but it's still manageable. The Vac and Steam, however, is bulkier and can be cumbersome in tight spaces, which some users found challenging, especially when trying to maneuver around furniture. If you want something light and easy, the Slim is the way to go. Now let's talk bonus tools. The PowerFresh Slim comes with an onboard storage kit, which users love for its versatility. It includes a grout tool and a clothing steamer, making it a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. The Vac and Steam, on the other hand, includes a detachable mop pad tray and 2 microfiber pads, allowing you to switch between gentle and aggressive cleaning based on your needs. Reviewers appreciate having both options, but some have noted that the rubber parts can hinder its maneuverability. In summary, both the Bissell PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop and the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One have their strengths and weaknesses. The Slim is favored for its affordability and straightforward functionality, while the Vac and Steam is appreciated for its versatility in cleaning. Overall, users seem to value convenience and ease of use, but the choice ultimately depends on your specific cleaning needs. So there you have it, folks. In the epic showdown between the Bissell PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop and the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One, it really comes down to your cleaning style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy cleaning!